Hello creative people. Welcome to our channel. Today is a day of sun, beach and watercolor. In this super easy tutorial, I will teach you how to make a stunning painting of a sunny day at the beach. If you like today's theme, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Ready? Then let's go. Do you see those more yellowish areas? These were the areas where I applied watercolor mask. Wait for it to dry before starting to paint. All you need are some basic materials such as watercolor brush, watercolor mask and white acrylic paint. These were the colors used. They are also in the video description. The sketch of the drawing is ready for you to download. The link is in the description. Let's start with the sea. Paint the sea with a very diluted cerulean blue. Once dry, we will add a little more mask to make more sea foam. Now that it has dried, we can apply another layer of blue paint. While the sea is drying, we can paint the strips of the towel. Apply a little more watercolor mask to the sea. Let's paint the sand. To do this, I'll use a very diluted yellow ochre and apply a little to the sea area. While the paper is still damp, we'll sprinkle the brown tones to represent the ripples in the sand. If the paper starts to dry, you can spray it with water. Paint the details such as starfish, flip-flops, sunscreen and others. For the skin tone, I made a very diluted mixture of red, yellow, and a little blue until I got a tone similar to sun-kissed skin. In the areas where I want shade, I apply more than one layer of skin-colored paint. I take advantage and add a little shade to the objects in the painting scene. Now that everything is dry, we can carefully remove the masks. Let's apply another layer of ultramarine blue paint to the sea. We can add some more details to the painting to represent the folds of the towel and the shadows. With the white acrylic paint, we will add a little more foam to the sea. So, did you like the result? Tell me in the comments what you thought. If this tutorial inspired you, leave a like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments and I will always answer them. Until the next artistic adventure, thank you for watching the video until the end.